Yes, and welcome return to the English Mentor, the channel wherein studying English is easy, heat, and fun. I am so satisfied you're here nowadays.
And I am happy too. I awakened early nowadays. I made tea, and then I forgot where I positioned it.
Paul, you neglect your tea every morning.
Because I get excited to record with you. My mind says, podcast time, and my tea says, goodbye, Paul.
That is a very emotional cup of tea. All right, everybody, before we begin, please like this video, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't omit any new lessons.
Yes, because today's subject matter is truly unique. It can exchange your English slowly, but very strongly.
Exactly. Today, we speak about something simple but powerful, a morning routine to improve your English.
A routine that helps you research English every day, even if you are busy.
You don't want best grammar. You don't want long look at hours. Just small, simple moves.
And we will display you step by step.
So live with us. Today, we share something that will simply help you grow. Let's begin with the first part of your morning routine, a gradual English wake-up.
Slow. Like a sleepy English lesson?
Not sleepy, calm, gentle. When you wake up, your mind is fresh and quiet. This is the ideal moment to give it easy English.
Not massive grammar books?
No, just one small sentence. A slow English wake-up means you talk one small English line to yourself as soon as you open your eyes. You wake up, you stretch, you smile, you say slowly, "Today is a brand new day. I will research one new thing."
It feels positive, like a gentle push.
Yes, and your mind hears English first thing in the morning.
Good morning, Paul. You are handsome today.
Paul, your line is about getting to know English, not being good-looking.
So, both are authentic?
Let's continue. Tips. 1. Say one easy English sentence each morning. Example, I feel ready to examine. 2. Keep the sentence short. Long lines make your brain tired. Tip 3. Repeat it twice. Today I learn. Today I research. 4. Use positive words. I can improve. 5. Smile while pronouncing it. Smiling helps memory. Encouragement. You don't need perfect English in the morning. You just need to start.
And if I forget the line?
Then say, I will get to remember day after today. Slowly repeat with us. Today is a new day. I will research one new thing. Our next step is simple. Do English while you wash your face.
Multitasking. Clean face plus clean English.
Exactly. Many people think they need to sit at a desk to learn. But a morning routine means you learn whilst doing ordinary things. When you wash your face, you can use small English phrases to describe your actions. You walk to the sink. You turn on the water. You say, I turn on the water. I wash my face. I feel fresh.
It looks like a mini story. I wash my face. I look beautiful. Maybe too beautiful.
Paul, your self-confidence is very strong these days. Tips. 1. Describe your actions in simple English. Example, I dry my face. 2. Keep sentences short. 3. Repeat the same lines each morning. Repetition builds memory. 4. Speak slowly. Slow English equals strong English. 5. Add one new word each week. Towel, mirror, soap. Encouragement. Every small line becomes a habit. Slow steps become strong English. What if I speak too much and forget to wash my face?
Then your English will be awesome and your face will be dirty.
Repeat with us. I wash my face. I feel fresh. I start my day. Now let's move to breakfast.
Ah, yes. My favorite moment, food and English.
During breakfast, use English phrases for food, drinks, and actions. You make tea or coffee. You say, I make tea. I cut the bread. I eat slowly.
I say, I eat fast.
Please, eat slowly.
I say, I eat fast. Good morning, tea. Let's learn English together.
Your tea is very involved in your education. Tips. Describe food. You say, my tea is warm. My bread is soft. 2. Practice polite phrases. Can I have more tea? Thank you. 3. Try one English podcast for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. 4. Add one new word daily. Boil, slice, spread. 5. Talk to yourself kindly. I enjoy my breakfast. Small English in the morning becomes automatic English at night.
If I talk too much, my breakfast becomes bloodless.
Then your English is hot.
Repeat slowly. I eat my breakfast. I enjoy this second.
One of the first-rate morning behavior is mirror speak me.
Talking to the mirror? Like speaking to myself?
Yes, it allows your confidence. Look on the mirror and say 2-3 quick English lines. You exercise speak me and body language. You study yourself and say, I can research. I am enhancing. I am not afraid.
I say, Paul, smile. You look worn out.
That also works.
Hello, Paul. Hello, good looking. How are you? I am excellent.
Yes, but hold traces simple for beginners.
Tips. 1. Speak for 30 seconds. 2. Smile. 3. Use positive traces. 4. Use present nerve tense. 5. Repeat the identical strains each day.
You don't need best pronunciation. You only need exercise.
What if my reflect talks back?
Then you need sleep.
Repeat with us. I can learn. I am improving.
Next is a simple but powerful step. Study for 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes? Even I can try this.
Short reading helps your mind awaken in English. Read a brief story, message, or quote. Something like, be kind, be patient, keep mastering.
This apple is red. Easy.
Yes, even small lines count a number.
Tips. 1. Choose very easy English. 2. Read slowly. 3. Read out loud. 4. Underline one new word. 5. Use the word once to days.
Reading a bit every day is better than reading a lot sometimes.
What if I doze off while reading?
Then read standing up.
Repeat slowly. I read a little. I read a little.
The last step of your morning routine is to make a tiny English plan for the day.
Tiny. I like tiny plans.
Choose one small English goal for the day. You say, "Today I read one new word," or "Today I watch 5 minutes of English video."
Today I will learn the word vegetable. Tomorrow maybe 2 vegetables.
Slow and steady, Paul.
Tips. 1. Choose one small aim. 2. Keep it practical. 3. Write it on your cell phone. 4. Say it out loud. 5. Check it at night.
One small intention every day turns into a big change in 365 days.
What if my goal is eat cake?
That is not an English intention.
But it makes me happy.
Repeat, one small goal, one small step.
Okay, friends, let's review everything we learned today. We talked about a complete morning routine that can make your English stronger, easier, and more natural. Step 1. Slow English wake up. You start your day with one short English line, something positive, something gentle, like, "Today I will learn one new thing." This helps your brain enter English mode. Step 2. English while washing your face. You talk about your actions. I wash my face. I dry my face. These small sentences help you think in English. Step 3. English breakfast moments. You describe your meals. You listen to 2 minutes of English. You say simple lines like, "My tea is hot." Very easy, very natural. Step 4. Mirror speaking. You look on yourself and say positive lines. I can learn. I am improving. This builds confidence and speaking flow. Step 5. Your 2-minute reading. You read something easy, just 2 minutes. You read one new word. You use it once during the day. Step 6. Your mini English plan. You choose one small goal, one step, one action. This keeps your learning active and simple. All these steps together create a strong morning routine. Not difficult, not distressing, just small daily actions. And small actions create big results.
That's right, Paul. And to everyone watching, remember this. You don't need perfect English to start. You just need small, kind steps every day. Your English will grow quietly, slowly, beautifully, just like a morning sunrise. I believe in you. We believe in you. And we're here to help you every day.
Now we want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments which part of this morning routine will you try tomorrow? The slow wake up? The mirror speaking? The 2-minute reading?
We love reading your comments. They help us understand what you enjoy and what you need.
And if this video helped you, please give it a big like.
And don't forget to subscribe so you can learn with us every week.
Your English journey is special, and your morning can be a beautiful start.
Thank you for spending your morning or your evening with us. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.